If your cassette cluster is loose or gets stiff, you may have to replace your Freehub body. To do this, you'll need a 10mm Allen key, and you'll first have to remove your cassette, axle, and wheel bearings as demonstrated in previous tutorials. Once your cassette and bearings are removed, slide the 10mm Allen key into the center of the hub and loosen it by turning counterclockwise. If the Freehub is very tight and difficult to loosen, you can get more leverage by mounting the Allen key in a vice clamp and sliding the wheel down onto it. Then you can loosen the Freehub by turning the wheel counterclockwise. Once the Freehub body is removed, clean the hub surface and bolt. And grease all the way around the bolt's threads before reinstalling. Gently slide the new Freehub body onto the hub splines and thread the bolt back into the hub. Using the Allen key, torque the bolt to approximately 45 Newton meters, or about 400 inch-pounds.